Hello everyone. Happy New Year once again to everybody. So today we're talking about something very interesting, something unique that a lot of people have been taking advantage of in PU Prime and even globally that you can actually key into. So we're here to talk about the PU Prime copy trading. So I'm giving you an outlook of what the PU Prime copy trading hold for 2026. And before we go into that, I'm going to show you results of, over 20 persons which have done copy trading and have actually enjoyed the process of, earning passively. So you're going to see real clients and we'll talk about the smart automation behind copy trading and why this is the best time for you to start. Anytime you're listening to me is the best time to start. I would even go further by saying that by the time of you even watching this video, it will have been better you start a day before. Okay, so let's get started real quick. So my name is Joshua, and real quick, I'm going to be talking to you about copy trading. For people that don't know about it, I'll let you know what it is all about, and I'm going to bring you from a point of whether a beginner to advanced just watching this video. And if you are wondering if copy trading is for you or not, this video would shine more light on it. So real quick, let's get started. Okay, so we're looking at the first thing, which is copy trading. A whole lot of people don't know what copy trading is, and we're starting with that questions right now. So what is copy trading? So it automatically copies the trade of professionals. So it's a system that helps you to replicate their trade. It's as simple as that. So the act of replicating the trades of professional traders is called copy trading. Now, some people even ask me that, Joshua, is it the company that, I mean, PU Prime or the broker that does copy trading? So now it's important for you to understand that the broker only gives you the platform to do copy trading. Now, the traders, the signal providers, they just host their system on it. So if you like their performance, you can copy and you can decide not to copy. So that's the level of transparency and that's the level of control over your money that you have in copy trading. And that's why you need to consider it as a passive uh, income stream or an alternative passive income source. So the trades are executed in real time, meaning that as the trader trades, your account automatically what? It copies as simple as that. For instance, the person you're copying trades gold or crude oil. The moment he taps, it does his analysis and he picks his trade. Your account, because it's linked in real time, he picks it. And that's one powerful thing about the PU Prime copy trading. Some people still ask me, Mr. Joshua, I want to do copy trading, but I don't have time to be, manually copying it myself. You need not to worry. Like I said initially, it's what done automatically. So there's no manual training required. All what you need to do is to link your account and watch it make money for you, literally. So your capital is 100% in your control. So for people that will be thinking, oh, can I withdraw after a week, 2 weeks, a month, or whatever, after a day, even should in case you have an emergency, right? Your capital is within your control. You don't even have to tell anybody, your account manager, or even the trader, even before you have to, before you withdraw. Now, why did copy trading work in 2025? We are going to be looking at that because it's important for you to know. The more you understand this, the better it will be for you. Now, one of the reasons why it worked is it's a perfect passive income stream for people that are busy. You're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you're a teacher, you're an engineer, architect, whatever you're doing. Even for people that are even applying to places, right? Even students, right? This is perfect for everybody that is busy, that don't have the time, but you want to make an extra source of income within the global financial market. This presents you that opportunity, right? Let me steal this quote from Warren Buffett. He said, until you are able to earn while sleeping, you may never be able to what build a kind of financial portfolio that you need. So this is me quoting him. This is me just quoting him. So the importance, right, of passive income cannot be overemphasized in 2026. Now, another reason is what? Copy trading is beginner friendly. You don't have to be a pro for you to start copy trading. A beginner, all what you need to do is follow instruction, you link it once, and it works for you all through as long as the trader that you're copying is trading. Now, let's move quickly so I can show you something that is interesting. Why you cannot even wait to finish this video before you should even start your own copy trading. So this is one of the reasons why it worked. Now, the reason why it worked is this. As you can see my screen, these are the graph of the equity curve, the profitability. As you can see, look at this trader, made 2,000%. So from 2020, if you can look at this graph, from 2023 till 2025, or we can say even till 2026 as at today, this trader has made what? 2,000%. So this is a system that works. You can actually replicate this trader or any other trader that is what? Profitable. The key word here is what? Profitability. Now, let me show you something else. This trader over here has 1,506 copiers. Trust me. 1,506 people cannot be wrong putting their hard-earned money, copying a trader. So that's another reason why you need to consider this as an alternative means of earning. So another thing that you should notice on my chart is this. You notice something called fee, 30%, profit sharing, 30%. The next thing about copy trading is this. Now, when you're doing copy trading, right, you're not paying to get started, depending on who you're copying. You're not paying to get started. The only fee that is attached is what we call profit sharing or performance fee. Now, what that means is that let's imagine you start off with $1,000, for example, and the person that you're copying makes, let's say, $200 for you. So 30% of that $200, which is the profit that he made for you, will be charged. It's as simple as that. Or the person you're copying made $100 for you and it's charging 30%. Automatically, it's charging $30. Why you go home with what? $70. That is still a best bet for you. It's a good passive income source for you. So a lot of people earned in this, and it's very transparent for tracking their performance. It's transparent for you to see everything that happens with who you're copying. So it's not the case of you're copying someone and you're not sure of what the person is trading. You see the trade in real time. It's very transparent. Now, the next thing is also, let me show you some chart. As you can see, for example, this trader, we have a lot of traders you can copy, right? So this trader, right, has a good record. So this particular trader monthly record is what? 16%. So, and you can see the consistency over time. And in total, he has made about 361%. So these are the result of different traders that I'm showing us that we can that we can leverage on. So they are proven strategies. That is why it worked. It worked because they are proven strategies and anybody can take advantage of it. So let me show you some quick highlight before we move forward. So within the last 7 days, this trader had added like 35 new copiers, right? This other trader had 25. This other trader had 83. So you need to understand that a lot of people, right, are copying. So if a lot of people are copying, it means that they are making good profit. They are making good progress. So that's the reason why you can't wait to be told, right? Before joining. So the performance were consistent, right? There are consistent trading activity, profitable week on week records, and the community is growing massively. So, and the risk management is so strong and is focused. So that's the reason why it worked last year. So I'm going to run through and just show you, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to show you 20 uh, clients from all around the world. So from Nigeria, Africa, from um, Europe, right? And from Asia, different clients. I just picked those clients so that you can see their testimony, you can see their results, you can see what they have to say about copy trading. So let's run through it real quick. So wow, these two clients are in fact one of my favorite clients. So this is Mr. Oladimeji Samuel. So Mr. Oladimeji Samuel made 44% with copy trading, right? Now, Mr. Onyema made 29%. Now you can notice this trader, they copy different persons. So it's not, everybody is not copying the same person. You choose the trader you want to copy. So as you can see, oh, this is a lot, 44%, more than what I was expecting, right? So this person made what? 29%, So you could see the genuine happiness, right, amongst these people. And that's something that is very profound, right? So let's move to the next one. So as you can see, this is Gregor and this is Imani. So as you can see, based on this screenshot alone, you can tell that Gregor made what? $68 from copy trading. And you could see Imani made what? $362 from copy trading. Now, these two results, I intentionally put them here for something. Now you can see this person is trading with altogether $374, right? This person that made more is trading with what? $3,306 based on what you can see on the screenshot. So the higher the capital, the better for you, or the more you earn. So this is Ishan. So made $76, and the capital is what? Just 424. While this person with 1,203, that's Ariana, made $165. So these are massive profit from copy trading that everybody needs to plug into. Now, the next thing I'm going to show us is okay, so look at Linton. As you can see, deliberately different people from all around the world with results. Linton made what? $216, while Roberts made $518. And you can see their results. It speaks for themselves. This person even said the drawdowns are minimal, the gains are what? Are impressive. So why? So this is a system that works. It works, right, guys? So now this person made 133 dollars. So you can see different people with different capital levels. So it does not matter if you can afford $200, so be it. If you can afford $1,000, why don't you start with it? If you can afford 10,000, 50,000, everybody can be on the same level and we can earn on the same level, right? So that's one thing you need to understand about this. A lot of results, a lot of testimonies. You can actually literally see it for yourself. This person is trading with $6,000 accounts, and you can see he has made about 1,000. So these are results that you can leverage on the PU on the PU Prime copy trading app as well. So I'm going to show us one more thing before I round off this video, because this video was meant to tell you more about copy trading, right? The profitability in it, right? And we also talk about something more important. So just still wait as I show you. So as you can see, this trader, okay, this copier rather, so made what? Extra $2,701 from copy trading, Mr. David. And as you can see from this screenshot, look at reviews, very nice. I'm very pleased. Thank you very much. So these are people showing their appreciation with copy trading. So copy trading is what important. Now, as we can see, profit copy trading is profitable, but however, there's something we call risks that is also associated with copy trading. So copy trading is profitable, but it's not risk free. So anything you do in life, there's risks that comes with it. Market volatility can cause losses, right? But that's why most of these people are able to manage their trades very well, right? So profits are not guaranteed. Now, I've got a lot of newbies asking that, oh, is it guaranteed? And no, I'm not going to, paint it up with something else. No, profits are not guaranteed. So this result I just showed you, it's an indication, right, of what you can make. Now, in trading, and if you're not new to trading, you understand that trading is, it comes with its level of risk, right? But as risky as it is, it's equally as profitable as well. So you'd have to understand, you have to understand this, right? So let me also take this. Some people, right? I met a client, right, some years back. The client was doing copy trading, right? And the client, I think, was copying a random person, right? And he made profit, and he was like, "Wow, this is nice. This is nice." The first month they made about 10%. The next month they made about 15%, and along the line, I think the third month they made about 8%. This person just called like, what's the problem? He's being cheated. That why would he make 8% instead of 10%? Huh. No, profits are not guaranteed, right? So I need you guys to understand that as well. So in as much as you follow our instructions and you don't over leverage, right? You should be within limit. Do not over leverage your accounts. Don't was it earlier this week? One of my colleagues was showing me someone that was copying 30 people on the on one account. Like with your small capital, how can you copy 30 persons, right? So, but then for people that would want to diversify with, amongst different traders, there's a way to go around that, and there will be a separate video for that, or you can maybe ask your account manager. So it's important for you to know that. So now the next important question is, how is risks managed? So there are things we call stop loss controls. So there are what we call like hard stop levels that you set to minimize your account so that your account will not lose more than required, right? So these are things that are put in place. So the moment you even hear this, that should even tell you that what there is a way to what manage losses. So it tells you that okay, losses even occur in trading. But then, like I tell people, right, because there are losses, that's even more reason why there are a lot of profit that you can gain in the market or that you can make in the financial market, right? Good. So the next thing is lot size management. So all of these are intricate things that you need to know in as much as you follow every instruction given to you, right? Some people now with this lot size management, I had someone else that after setting the copy trading for her, now while everybody is making like say maybe $5, $10 per trade, now, because this person has a little idea about, trading, the person increased the lot size to a point whereby, she was making about $20 and above. You can imagine if everybody's making $5 to $10, you are making 25 to about $35 per trade. So that risk is much, right? Based on the required account size. So you listen to everything we tell you, right? And you'll be at a safe place. Now we've talked about the drawdown protection. So all of these things are things that are meant what to protect your accounts from, losses and all of that. All right. So the next thing we're going to talk about is if a trader is not trading well like you want, if a trader, let's say, is encountering losses, you can always stop copying that trader at any time and copy another trader that is doing well. That is the freedom you have to start copy trading today. So your money is not tied down. If trader A is not giving you the profit you want, you can copy trader B. If trader A is giving you losses, you can opt into trader C. Now, the fact that trader A experienced loss does not mean that everybody is also experiencing losses. No, it's not true. Before we round up, we're going to also look at why you should start your own copy trading account today. New year, new goals. How much do you want to make by the end of first quarter? How much do you want to make in 6 months? How much do you want to make by the end of the year? In fact, how much do you want to make monthly? So this is another option that you could use, right, to earn. You can set it as an additional income source for yourself. There are others, right? But today we're talking about copy trading. But however, you need to set goals, right, around this year. And as you can see, that's why I showed you the results and also the testimonials that I showed earlier. The reason is this, because it works. You can also leverage on that. You can have multiple income stream. In fact, one of my senior colleague and boss used to say something that the way inflation is eating up people's savings this, you know, with the global inflation rate and your local inflation rate in your local country. It says if you had like maybe three income stream before, you need to even have like maybe six or nine to maintain your finances, to maintain your family life. Imagine your wife, your children going to school, and inflation is eating into people's savings, eating into people's hard earned money. So for you to maintain your lifestyle, right, you need to increase your what stream of income. Is very, very important. Increase your stream of income so that you can earn more. So, and copy trading gives you the privilege to do that. I'm going to say this. I have this one of my good clients. So this is what her and her husband did. They have a particular copy trading account for their children's school fees, a particular copy trading account for their building project, a particular copy trading account for their monthly expenses. Like, in addition to what they do, as they earn from their salary like this, they put it in real estate, and they do lands, bonds. This is the diversification in wealth creation. This is the step you need in creating generational wealth for yourself this year. And trust me, the best time is to start is maybe yesterday or even day before. If you are starting now, you are not too late. You should get started as soon as possible so that maybe in the next couple of days, I can also share your praise report, or I can share your testimonial as well. So the consistency over time is awesome. The consistency over time is awesome. So that's why you should also start your copy trading account as well. So it's important for you to know that we have advanced trading dashboard for everybody to just monitor what you're doing so that you can see the automations are fast, right? So you don't have to worry. You can monitor everything on your mobile phone. You don't even have to be in the dark, right? So, and we can also educate you more on copy trading. So remember, the best time to start is what? Is now. So join our copy trading community. Start up with a capital that you are most comfortable with, and you can scale up from there. And in fact, learn while you earn. So I'm going to end with this.